Hello again, today we're doing the Tarmangie Hill circuit from Glen Devon. This walk takes in 4 peaks and makes for a really pleasant day's hill walking in Scotland. Let me bring up the map and I'll show you where we're at. So I'm stood here on the A823 road close to Glen Devon Castle. There's ample parking here across the bridge over the River Devon. I'll show you that in a moment. We'll head around the side of Black Hill, then Glen's Nose, what a brilliant name, before turning right through a fire break in the trees. There's a short climb up through the fire break, and at the top we turn right again and head straight up Innerdownie Hill to reach the first cairn of the day. Then it's across Benty Knowe and up the slight incline to Whitewisp Hill, just a small cairn here. Another right turn and it's across to the highest point of the day at Tarmangie Hill, which boasts 2 cairns. Then it's down into a small valley before skirting around Scad Hill and across Mailer's Knowe, where we pass an unusual rock with a water feature. Then it's across to the foot of Ben Shee, where we turn to go straight up. We'll check out the worst cairn in the world ever at the top, and then go straight back down the other side to head towards Wester Glensherup Farm, where we'll do a U-turn to head to the Glensherup Reservoir Dam. We'll cross this before heading a little way back up Black Hill to rejoin the path back to the car park. This map is available to download for free from my Facebook page. The link is in the video description. All in, this is a 16.5 kilometre walk, and we are lucky today. It's a lovely day for walking, although a bit windy on the hilltops, and you'll hear that in the video. Apologies about that. Here at the car park there's some great picnic benches by the riverside to chill out when you finish your walk, but for now we'd better get going, and I'll point out the turns as we go. And as we're heading out, now would be a good time to like and subscribe this video. Thanks for doing that, and come on now, let's go.